So this is the furthest end Nechuan you can go. And for a while I didn't see pollution, and then I did. So I'm going to going left in the very far end of Nechuan. So I'm now around the center of Nechuan, near Godye Circle. And you can see pollution here, and I'm going to circle around the beach and then stop until I get to the next section. You might be wondering why I care. And the answer would be because this is unusual for Hrvatska, Croatia. And I have no idea what explains it. Tourists, except that it's off-season Siachen, January. Maybe this is normal for beaches. I've been around other places in Hrvatska where they've had water without this excessive pollution. I'm walking on this. And it's all around the beach. Other parts of Nechuan are beautiful. Liapa. And no significant evidence of pollution. In fact, almost non-existent. You might expect to see a couple of pieces of garbage that end up in the sea. But as I said, there's a level to this kind of pollution that warrants me to film it. It raises questions about environment, impact of pollution on the environment, especially on our water bodies, which is one of the most important, significant environmental issues that we could be faced with. And Gomari, the ocean, Gomari, the sea, is just right here. So this pollution can easily end up in the sea. The sea is going to eventually connect to the ocean. The ocean connects to other oceans. Ocean seas connect to rivers inland. There's still some more over there. one rock. This is a little trickier. How close the water gets to the rocks. For me not to get my shoes wet. I have sandals on. This last section of pollution on the beach, and then I will stop recording. Maybe. Well, you can see some pollution past this section. And these bags may not be pollution. They may have a specific purpose, but you can see clear signs of pollution otherwise. Just one more section. So it's a rocky beach, and it's easy to walk on. I don't know if people are paid to clean up the beaches or collect the last tourists. That is, if it's tourists, what are you going to do about it? Because you're never going to be able to stop pollution. But it's very sad, and it takes away from the aesthetic appeal of Netchwan. I'm going to stop the river. So this is going further left from Netchwan. There's a kind of a path and more signs of pollution. I do have to walk to this little path. So again, those plastic bags might have a purpose, but there are other things besides plastic bags. Pier here. And it goes to parts where it's not so bad, and then it's going to get worse as I get toward the front east from Omar. Trees, probably. a little trickier. I'm not sure if it's this part or another part, because I have to go. I think there's another part where I have to grab onto a tree to establish, but not here, not over there. Some parts of the water is nice. Sorry. Zima. Cold. Not cold. It's just when the winter. Which means my nose is running like crazy. And there is a path on the other side. That's the road I came down on. It's a bike path. And there's a nice view this side. From the other side, there's a path that leads Desno right. Then I did pass the trickier part. For some reason it was scarier coming in. Mud. It was raining a little earlier. I didn't think about that. So the water seems okay. And then we're going to get to the rougher patch where it's a large amount of pollution in the Skomare. Out of here it's in these bushes. It's along the Skomaru. Or Skomaru, let's see. And oh yes, I forgot this walkway. So it has two sides. So there is also over here pollution on this side of this path. Here's some along the middle. Then, so this is still along the rocks, so, and there, sitting with the yellow bag, that's in Skomare. It's very clear. The rocks are underneath, but there's a layer of water on top. And it's horrible here. You can see it's floating in the Skomaru. In Skomaru. Like I said, this is middle of Siachan, January, and to see this is traveling. And as I was getting ready to go back up, I forgot there was this little section over here with additional pollution.